If you're planning to apply for the H-2B visa in 2026, there's one thing you must confirm before moving forward. Is your country eligible under the current H-2B program? Every year, the U.S. government reviews and updates the official eligible country list. And yes, it can change. Let's break this down clearly. The H-2B visa program is a vital tool for U.S. employers, allowing them to hire temporary foreign workers for crucial seasonal non-agricultural jobs. These roles often fall within industries like hospitality, landscaping, and construction, filling essential labor needs during peak seasons. However, eligibility for this program is not universal. It is specifically tied to an applicant's country of nationality. Each year, the Department of Homeland Security, in consultation with the Department of State, formally publishes a list of countries whose nationals are eligible to participate. This list is carefully reviewed annually. A country's inclusion is based on several key factors, including its cooperation in accepting the return of its citizens, historical visa compliance rates, and overall overstay data. If your country of citizenship is on the current eligible list, your H-2B petition can proceed through the standard channels. If it is not, approval is not impossible, but it does require a special determination on a case-by-case basis, which is not automatic and adds complexity to the process. Here's something many people misunderstand. Eligibility is based on your nationality, meaning the country listed on your passport. It is not based on where you currently live. For example, if you live in one country but hold citizenship from another, your eligibility depends on the country on your passport. That distinction is critical. Your residence does not determine eligibility. Your nationality does. Now let's clarify something important. You might wonder if your employer already handles this. In most legitimate H-2B cases, U.S. employers partner with experienced immigration attorneys. These legal experts guide them through the complex requirements, ensuring every detail is handled correctly from the very beginning. Before filing Form I-129, the petition for a non-immigrant worker, the employer must identify your nationality. This is a mandatory step. So in properly handled cases, your country eligibility is confirmed during the initial petition process, long before your consular interview. However, some workers might engage with third-party recruiters or less formal agents where communication can be unclear. That's why it's still wise to understand your own eligibility, not out of fear, but out of awareness. Being informed empowers you and protects your opportunity. It's crucial to understand that the list of eligible countries for the H-2B program is not a permanent fixture. This list is dynamic, meaning it can, and often does, change from one year to the next. Each fiscal year, the Department of Homeland Security, in consultation with the Department of State, conducts a thorough review. Based on this assessment, countries may remain on the list, new countries may be added, or in some cases, countries may be removed. These decisions are influenced by factors like a country's cooperation in receiving its citizens ordered removed from the U.S., visa overstay rates, and other key diplomatic considerations. Therefore, even if your country was eligible last year, that does not automatically guarantee its eligibility for the current year. Always verify the latest official list before proceeding. Before moving forward with an H-2B opportunity, it is critical to take these steps. Confirm your passport country. Review the current official eligible country list. Or verify directly with the employer's immigration counsel. Do not rely on rumors or last year's information. Policies are reviewed annually. Awareness protects your opportunity. Comment below, is your country eligible for 2026? And tonight at 7:30 p.m. we're asking, do you think the list will change next year? If you find this information helpful, consider subscribing to H-2B Success Blueprint for structured, responsible updates on the H-2B program. I'll see you in the next update.